Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 7 and the subject is maths, and we are proceeding chapter number 1 whose name is integers. Again today I will remind you the definition of integers. Integers is a collection of all नेगेटिव नंबर्स और पॉजिटिव नंबर्स अलोंग विद जीरो. जितने भी हमारे नेगेटिव नंबर हो सकते हैं, जितने भी हमारे पॉजिटिव नंबर्स हो सकते हैं, इंक्लूडिंग जीरो. जीरो इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ इंटीजर्स. दिस होल सेट और होल कलेक्शन ऑफ नेगेटिव नंबर्स, पॉजिटिव नंबर्स एंड जीरो इज कॉल्ड इंटीजर्स. सो वी आर proceeding the exercise 1.4, and yesterday we have discussed the question number 1. Today we will discuss question number 2. The question number 2 is there. We are supposed to verify that A divided by B plus C is not equals to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Means the whole numbers are not closer in distributive property under division. अगर यहाँ पे multiplication होता, that means it can be valid, but this is the division sign, so that is not possible. But here what we have to do, we have to verify the values of A, B and C are given. In the A part, two parts are given. A part we will solve here and B part will be there in the homework. So in the A part, the value of A is given 12. A equals to 12 and B equals to -4 and C equals to 2. So we will calculate the left hand side as well as the right hand side. So left hand side is left hand side, means left hand side of this expression, that is left hand side equals to A divided by B plus C. So we will get here A, the value of A is 12 divided by -4 plus 2. So here we will get 12 divided by, so here both the numbers are having the different sign. First of all, we are supposed to decide the sign of the answer. So we will see the magnitude of the numbers 4 or 2. Which one is greater? 4. What is the sign of the 4? That is negative. Now 4 minus 2, that is 2. So the sign will be of the greater number. So here we are supposed to divide. If any of the number, either the dividend or the divisor is negative, then the answer will be negative. Then we are supposed to divide 12 by 2, that will become 6. So the value of the left hand side is -6. At the same time, so we will find out the value of right hand side. And right hand side is this, that is A divided by B plus A divided by C. So we will get A, the value of A is 12 divided by -4. The value of B is -4. There will be bracket, and then in between the plus sign is there. Again the bracket is there. 12 divided by C. C is 2. So we will get the answer by solving that. 12 divided by -4. So if any of the numbers, whether it is the dividend or divisor, is negative, the answer will be negative. Then we are supposed to divide 12 by 4, that will come 3 plus. Now here 12 divided by 2, that will come 6, and there will be no problem with the sign because both the divisor as well as the dividend are positive. So here again we are getting two numbers in which one is negative, one is positive. So first of all, we will decide which sign will be there in the answer. So the 6 is the larger number in the magnitude, and the sign of the 6 is plus. So the answer will be plus. Now as both the numbers are having the different signs, so we are supposed to subtract. Means 6 minus 3, that is 3. So the value of the left hand side is minus 6 and the value of the right hand side is plus 3. So we can say here that left hand side is not equals to right hand side, and at last we are supposed to write what we are supposed to do in that question. We are supposed to verify. So at last we can write hence verify. So like this you are supposed to proceed the B part of this question. In the B part, the values of A, B and C are different. The value of A is minus 10, B is 1 as well as C is 1. So like this you are supposed to do the same as we have done in this part. You are supposed to proceed same for the second part as well. Question number 3 you can do by yourself easily, because there are fill-ups. So 369 divided by which number we will get the 369, that is the 1 only, and minus 75 is divided by which number we will get minus 1. The number will be same but the sign will be different, and you are supposed to try these fill-ups by yourself. So we will proceed now question number 4. In question number 4 we will see what we have to do. First of all, we are supposed to write the question. So question number 4, we are supposed to write 5 pairs of integers. Question number 4, write 5 pairs of integers such that in the form A comma B, means 2 integers will be there such that A divided by B should be minus 3, and the one example is given, that is 6 divided by minus 2. 6 divided by minus 2, and here comes minus 3. So we are supposed to select 5 more pair of integers which are the same like this. So first one we can select here, it is 6 minus 2, so we can do minus 6 and plus 2. We can verify. How we can verify? Minus 6 divided by 2. Here again the divisor is having the positive sign and the dividend is having the negative sign. So the answer will be negative, and 2 3 is 6. That is same. Again we can find out more examples of that. We can take minus 3 comma 1. So again we can proceed that minus 3 is divided by 1. Here again that the dividend is negative, so we will get the negative and we can divide like this. Again we can interchange the signs. We can get 3 comma minus 1. Again we will see the result, that is 3 divided by minus 1. Here the dividend is positive and the divisor is negative, so we will get the negative sign, and 3, if we divide 3 by 1 we will get 3. Again we can take 12 comma minus 4. Here we will verify here. So 12 divided by minus 4. Again the divisor is negative, so the answer will be negative, and if we divide 12 by 4 we will get 3. Again we can interchange the signs, so we can get minus 12 comma 4, and we will get the same answer, minus 12 divided by 4. Here the dividend is negative, so the answer will be negative, and 4 3 is 12. So like this we can find many of the pairs, in which if we divide A by B, we will get -3. We are supposed to keep in mind, if we find one, then we can find the second one easily by interchanging the signs. So this is the question. So you are supposed to find 10 more examples for that. That is additional homework. Homework is there, the exercise, but the addition is there. Find 10 more such pairs. क्वेश्चन में हमें 5 फाइंड आउट करने हैं, हमने यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट कर लिया है 1 2 3 4 5. So now what you have to do, you have to find 10 more such pairs in which when A is divided by B, we will get the answer -3. I hope that you will complete the exercise, the questions given up to exercise 1.3, as well as you are supposed to start the exercise 1.4, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, as well as question number 4, and the remaining questions, the word problem will start from the next question, that is question number 5. We will discuss tomorrow. But you are supposed to complete your homework on the daily basis, means today itself, and after completing the homework you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number, so that we can maintain the record for the school, that how many students are there who are completing the homework on the daily basis as well as correctly. Thank you very much.